How to sell digital products in 2026 with a $0 budget. If you've been thinking about selling digital products but feel stuck waiting for the right time, this video is your permission to start today. You can create, sell, and deliver digital products using only the free versions of System.io and Canva. No website, no ads, no complicated tech. In this video, I'm going to walk you through my simple 4-step process that works for busy women starting from scratch. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what your first product could be and how to get it ready to sell this weekend. Hey there! So if you haven't already noticed, I'm Isabel's AI avatar, while the real me is probably taking care of my special needs daughter or helping women start their online businesses from home inside my membership HomeBiz Builders. But everything I'm sharing comes straight from Isabel's real journey, and it's built for real life, not perfect life. Before we get into the 4 steps, let's quickly clear up 3 myths that stop many women from starting. Myth number 1. I need a website. You don't. The free plan of System.io already gives you ready-made sales pages where people can buy your product. Myth number 2. I need design skills. You don't. Canva has free templates that already look beautiful. You simply replace the text and you're done. Myth number 3. I need a big audience. You don't. Many people make their first sales simply by sharing their product with friends and in Facebook groups where their audience already spends time. So what do you actually need? About 5 hours this weekend and an internet connection. That's it. Let's go through the 4 steps. Step 1 is choosing your I help sentence. This step takes about 15 minutes. Write this down. I help specific women solve a specific problem. Here are some examples. I help busy moms plan their week in a simple way. I help beginners create simple Canva designs quickly. I help women choose their first online business idea. Your digital product is simply the solution to that problem in a simple format. That's it. Step 2 is building your product using the free version of Canva. This usually takes about 2 to 3 hours. Go to canva.com and create a free account. Then search for templates like workbook, planner, or checklist. Choose a clean design you like. Replace the text with your own steps or guidance. Add your colors. You can also add one photo of you smiling so people can connect with the person behind the product. Then export your product as a PDF. Here are 3 simple product formats that work very well for beginners. A 7-day workbook with daily steps, a checklist with 25 simple action items, or a template pack that people can customize. Clear problem plus clear solution equals a valuable product. Step 3 is creating a simple one-page sales system using the free plan of System.io. This usually takes about 45 minutes. Go to System.io and create your free account. Then go to Sales Funnels and choose a simple sales page template. Your sales page only needs 4 sections. First, a hook that explains the problem. Second, a short story about why you created this solution. Third, a few bullet points explaining what people will get. And finally, the price with a Buy Now button. Most beginner digital products sell very well between $17 and $37. Then connect PayPal or Stripe. Both are free to set up. When someone buys your product, System.io can automatically deliver your PDF either by email or on the thank you page. Once that is set up, your product is ready to sell. Step 4 is sharing your product, where your people already are. This step takes about 15 minutes. You can post something simple like this. Hey friends, I created a workbook that helps with this specific problem. If this is something you struggle with, the link is below. 3 places that often work well for beginners are your Facebook profile, a few relevant Facebook groups, and your Instagram stories. Now let me show you what this could look like as a simple weekend plan. 5 hours total. You spend 3 hours creating your product in Canva, 1 hour setting up your sales page in system.io, and about 15 minutes sharing your product online. That's your first digital product business. Many people start with services, which means you get paid once for every hour you work. With digital products, you create the product once, and you can sell it many times. Now let me answer 3 common worries that often come up. What if nobody buys? Your first 1 to 3 sales are simply proof that people are interested. You can always adjust your message and try again. I'm not an expert. You only need to be one step ahead of the person you're helping. Canva looks difficult. Free templates plus drag and drop make it much easier than most people expect. So here is the simple formula again. Choose a problem women talk about often. Write your 7-step solution. Turn it into a Canva workbook. Let system.io deliver the product automatically. That's your digital product system. No inventory, no shipping, no complicated setup. If you would like short daily videos that walk you through each step, including choosing your idea and building your first product, you can join my free 5-day clarity challenge. The link is in the description below. And before you go, I would love to hear your idea. Write this sentence in the comments by filling in the blanks. I help blank with blank. Thank you so much for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe. Your online business can start much simpler than you think.